You're not here for the hype. You're here because you're building something real, and it's heavy doing it all yourself. Strategy, offers, content, outreach, it doesn't stop. And now even your AI advantage is just another thing to manage. Prompts that sound smart but give you filler. Tools that promise leverage but eat your time. You're not lazy, you're just underarmed. That's what the DFC Prompt Vault fixes for good. It's 200 handcrafted prompts built to give you fast, focused, and strategic output from ChatGPT or any other model of your choice. These aren't templates, they're tools, built with variables so you plug in your voice, your offer, your intent, and it works. Inside the vault, you'll get prompts for ad copy that actually converts, email sequences you don't need to rewrite, landing pages that sound like you, offers, hooks, research, content outlines, all done in minutes. Persona builders and audience research that feel like you're reading your customer's mind. Plus, you'll get the real leverage pieces, the Power Prompt Stacks playbook that lets you chain prompts together for end-to-end workflows, the 7 frameworks guide, IDA, PAS, RACE, TAG, all battle-tested for AI, and your own custom GPT that allows you to create your own prompts as well. So if it's not in the prompt vault, you can create it with this highly trained custom GPT. I built this because I needed it. I was tired of blank pages, bloated prompts, and creative burnout. I wanted structure without handcuffs, speed without sacrifice. So I made it, and now it's yours. No subscriptions, no fake urgency, just $43 one-time, lifetime access. So, if you're tired of wrestling with AI, if you want your tools to finally feel like leverage, click below, unlock the vault, and let's make your work feel lighter, sharper, and more yours again. Try it for 30 days. If it doesn't work for you, I'll give you your money back. No weird forms, no guilt, just ask.